Hello and welcome to my handcrafted corner. Today we are going to make this beautiful crochet granny square. It's a very simple and easy pattern to follow. This is how it looks on the back. Let's get started. For this project we are going to use a 3mm hook, and we will start our work with a magic ring. We will first chain 1, then go into the ring and work 1 single crochet. Then we will go into the first loop of the first single crochet, and here we will work another single crochet. And this combination of stitches will count as our first double crochet. Next we will continue to work 1 double crochet. For this we have to yarn over once, go into the ring, grab the yarn, make a loop, grab the yarn and pull it through 2 loops, and again grab the yarn and pull it through the remaining 2. And here we have our double crochet. And together with this first combination of stitches, we now have 2 double crochets. Next we will chain 1, and this will be our repeat for this first round. So we will work 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and chain 1. So 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and chain 1. So we have completed this repeat 3 times so far, and we will repeat 5 more times. So in total we have 8 repeats of this, and we will meet after we complete these repeats. I am here at the end of this round, and it is now time to close the ring. And for this we will pull the yarn like this, and then we will go with our hook from the back of the work into this first stitch, and slip stitch this last stitch. Chain 1 to secure the work, and we can now cut the yarn and join the second color. I have here my other color, and we will first make a slip knot, and we will start our second round. We can start from any of these chain 1 spaces, and we will start by making 1 double crochet. For this we have to yarn over once, place the finger like this in order to keep both loops on the hook, and go into this chain 1 space, grab the yarn, pull it through and make a loop, grab the yarn, pull it through 2 loops first, and then through the remaining 2. And here we have our first double crochet for this round. We will continue to make 2 more. So 1, 2, 3. Next, we will chain 2, 1, 2, and into the same space here we will make 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. As you can see, we have completed our first corner of the future square, and we will continue to work on the first side of the square. For this, we will go into the next chain 1 space, so we will skip these 2 double crochets, and here we will work a set of 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And this will be our repeat for this second round. And we will do this repeat 3 more times. So in total, we should have 4 repeats of these. Let's do this together one more time. So we will go into the next chain 1 space here, and here we will work the second corner in the same way. One set of 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and into this same space 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And here we have completed our second corner. And now we will go into the next chain 1 space. I will also carry this yarn with me on the back of the work in order to hide it. And here we will work a set of 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And this way we have completed our second corner of the square. We will continue to work in this way 2 more times, and we will meet here at the end of this round. We will now join the work, and for this we will go with our hook into this stitch from the back of the work and slip stitch this last stitch. Chain 1 to secure the work, and we can cut the yarn and join the other color. We will first make a slip knot, and we will start our third round. We can start from any of these chain 2 spaces or the corner spaces. There are 4 in total. I will start here, and we will work a corner in the same way as we did on our previous round. So we will work a set of 3 double crochets first. 1, 2, 3. Again we will chain 2, and we will work in this same space 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. This way we have completed our first corner of the square for this third round. Next we will continue to work on the side of the square, and for this we will go into this space between 2 sets of 3 double crochets. So this is the first one, and here we will work a set of 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And we will do the same in the next space between the next two sets of 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And this way we have completed our first side for this round, and this will be our repeat for this third round. And we will do this repeat 3 more times for the other 3 corners and 3 sides of the square in this same way. So for the corner we will work the same combination of stitches, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, and for the sides of the square, in each space between these sets of 3 double crochets we will work another set of 3 double crochets, and we will meet here at the end of this round. We will now join the work in the same way as we did on the previous rounds. We will go with our hoop into this second stitch from the back of the work and slip stitch this last stitch. Chain 1 to secure the work, and we can cut this yarn and switch to the other, to the second color. We will start again with a slip knot, and we will start our fourth round. Again, we can start it from any of these chain 2 spaces from the corners, and we will work in the same way as we did on this last round. So for the corners we will work a set of 3 double crochets first. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, and in the same corner space we will work a second set of 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. This way we have completed our first corner of the square for this fourth round. Next we will continue to work on the first side, and we will work it in the same way as we did on the previous round. So for each space between these sets of 3 double crochets we will work another set of 3 double crochets, and this time we will have 1, 2, 3 repeats of these sets. 1, 2, and 3. We will go and work the second one. 1, 2, and 3, and the third one. 1, 2, and 3. And this way we have completed one side of the square, the first one. And this will be our repeat for this round. So we will continue to work in this way 3 more times until we get here at the end of this round, and we will meet here. I have completed this round, and I have already joined the work in the same way as we did on our previous rounds, by slip stitching into the second stitch from the back of the work, and we will start working on our last round, which is the edge round. We will first make a slip knot, and again we can start from any of these chain 2 spaces or corner spaces, and we will start by making one single crochet. We will make 2 more, so that we have in total 3 in this same corner space. And next we will continue to work along the side, and we will make in each stitch one single crochet. Make sure you don't miss this first one, as it can hide under the stitches that we have just made. So 1, 2, 3. So we should have the same number as we have here on the row below. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of 3 double crochets, which means we should have 15 single crochets along the side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And this will be our repeat for this last round. So from here we will start with the corner, and we will work 3 single crochets, and next across the next side 1 single crochet in each stitch. So for the sides we will have 15 single crochets, and for the corners 3 single crochets, and we will meet here at the end of the round. I am now at the end of this round, and it is time to join the work, but before this we will cut the yarn and we will join it in this way. We will go with our hook into the second stitch from the back of the work, grab this yarn and pull it through, then go from the back of the work into the back loop of this last stitch, grab the yarn and pull it through. This way we have a nice and even edge for our square. And this is our final project. This is our final square. If you want to make it bigger, you can continue to work this pattern before making the edge round, and you will make for each corner the same combination of stitches, and for each side of the square you will work in each of these spaces another set of 3 double crochets. This is how our square looks on the back. Happy crocheting!